Welcome to our van life with our 4 Chihuahuas, episode 38. Our long-awaited van modifications finally get installed. Stay tuned to see our latest addition.
We are taking an exploration, walking the pups in Malibu Creek State Park, just south of Calabasas, north of Malibu. Have some pretty cool trails. It's been raining most of the day, so we've been hanging out in the van and just finally getting out to explore. Lots of tents over there still. Almost everybody has left since it is Sunday afternoon. This is the usual deal at state parks. So here is okay and the dirt is no okay. And a lot of that all happened. This is the Ian Skager Trail Loop. Mainly because so many pet parents will not pick up after their dogs and create problems, and so they had to pass a rule for all California state parks and most national parks as well. Most state parks say no dogs off the main roads. That's the same way it is at Yosemite and a lot of other places, so we know the drill by now. What do you think of this place, Pia?
It's a quiet. Well, no one's here, so it's quiet.
And why are we here on a Sunday, Pia?
Because we pick up our GSS tomorrow.
And
our matches.
Where?
At Canyon Vans.
Canyon Adventure Vans, yes. We just walked to the end of where the campgrounds are. Here's the sign. That's a group camp. And we got a little friendly notification from the park ranger that it's a $500 fine if they catch us with dogs on the trail. What do you think about that, Pia?
Where does everybody take their dogs? That's my next question.
Yeah, I mean, if it follows the national park, state park rules, we can just walk them here on paved areas, and that's what we'll do. We definitely don't want $500 for no reason, but we can see a little bit more of the area. But we can't make it to the creek, essentially, which is the big hiking draw here. That's what we're gonna go check.
Yeah, where is it?
More that way. So we'll get to the head of the creek, and that's about it. Jabba gets the carriage treatment today. We got welcome walks at 10 a.m. This is the main trailhead. This is a long trail. Right in the middle. There's home base. You bring the key? So as you can see, we got the Starlink set up over here on the picnic table. Router is plugged in outside. We're not using the RV version where you can mount it to the roof deck. We still like having the flexibility to put it further away if we need to. So Starlink is nice because we have unlimited usage still, even if it's not fast. But right now it is getting really good speed. It's 100 meg, so we'll be able to watch movies later. I'll be able to watch the Zags in about 2.5 hours, and I'm really excited because there's been some great games so far this season. And if you are a college basketball or just a sports fan in general, leave us a comment. Who's your team? I will definitely post who my team are, and we'll have a watch party together sometime. When we are cooking, which I'm about to be doing, Jabba always likes to be right here. He's getting ready for a little nap, but when the food starts going, he'll be excited, and so will that one. So right now it's nap time. Pia, are you going to be napping too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Maybe.
I will not be napping, but we'll let everybody else do a nappies. Like, oh, the bow. The bow is definitely napping.
Okay, so we're over here back in the van. It has started drizzling outside again. We were gonna install our Max Tracks up on the roof of the van, but we forgot to bring the wrenches since we left some more stuff at home. We decided not to bring a lot of stuff with us because we're going to install the GSS from Canyon Vans tomorrow, and so we didn't want too much clutter while they're installing that for us and teaching us how to put the GSS on and off as needed. In the meantime, we are gonna start cooking dinner. It's about almost 4 p.m. Sean has a basketball game to watch later on. And right now we're all relaxing since the dogs went out for a long walk. And well, except for Jabba, he was in the stroller, and Yoda was in the Yoda scarf. But the girls had a good walk.
Again, the famous Vandogi pair of ribeyes. We got a very easy salad, cutting up some fresh veggies, might do some tomatoes in there too, and then just gonna microwave some pre-made mashed potatoes. So extremely easy, tasteful, and nice when you just wanted something warm when you're waiting out the rain. We are in Chatsworth, California, going to Canyon Adventure Vans. We're gonna pick up our GSS Plus One and our Luxe mattress this morning. Today's the day.
Today's the day.
We are here at Canyon. Got all of their vans and another storyteller getting installed too. Pretty cool.
Or you can keep it.
Yeah, you want to keep it? Yeah.
They make good dog beds at home.
Yeah, that's what we're thinking, or even like on the garage. Very cool.
Yeah, one of our dogs almost slipped
Oh yes. What's up, everybody? Look what we got. We have our new Luxe mattress. We are on our way back up to NorCal, and we also got the GSS Plus One. We'll do a full breakdown of how we're gonna set it up, but this part was a little bit of a new add-on. We got a back slide out. Super excited to have this extra modification on our van. As you can see, we still have tons of storage on the garage to the side, but we have way more with outdoor shelf, indoor shelving, and then another big shelf that opens up in the inside. So we're going to be experimenting with everything that we can put inside of this puppy. It's huge. It goes way deep. And we're also going to be really excited to experiment with, this thing is so soft, it's going to be so much nicer to sleep on. In comparison, here's the Storyteller default mattress and the thickness. We're still going to keep this around and figure out ways to use this or sell it, but this is the Luxe mattress cut specifically for the Ford Transit chassis mode LT, and man, we're excited. We're gonna have potentially a lot of longer trips coming up, and having better sleep is gonna be amazing as part of it. Talk to you soon.
Meds and lunch.
We are grabbing a quick bite here along I-5. We're driving back along I-5. It was about an hour shorter from Canyon than where we went down 101. Doggies are getting food and getting refreshed. Chewbacca is a little toasty, so we're gonna have to get the cool down going for her. Wow, she gets a little excited when we stop because she gets to eat. Boba's having nummies. Pia is getting her refreshing on. Just had some leftovers. Got some gas. This is the pretty easy stopping point in Stockdale Highway along I-5. Really easy spot, and has some nice grass area for dog owners, so really safe spot to go use the facilities for pups. And Mr. Jabba here is asking for more food. Nope, you already got your nummies, boy. But we're excited to get home and get that Luxe mattress all situated and start filling up our new storage and understanding a little bit more about it. Canyon did a great job of getting us in and out of their facility, about an hour. We got there a little bit late, but that's our usual, and they even let all 4 of our dogs stay in their waiting lounge, and that was very nice of them after we did a little bit of walkies around the neighborhood there in Chatsworth. But we'll be home soon and get check in on what our next trip's gonna be.